We're going to make a whipped foaming cucumber mint sugar scrub. To get started, you're going to need your whipped soap base. You can either make this or go ahead and buy it. Sugar, this is going to be our exfoliator. Olive oil. Now I choose a cheaper oil when making this because you're just going to wash it off. But you can use whatever oil you'd like. You'll also need vegetable glycerin and a preservative. Now with your preservative, it's important to keep in mind that you already have a preservative in your whipped soap base. So go ahead and subtract that from the recipe to determine how much you need. You also might wonder why you need one, seeing as there's no water, but because water might get introduced, better safe than sorry. And lastly, your cucumber mint fragrance. So let's go ahead and make our sugar scrub. We're going to start by taking our whipped soap base and putting it into a large bowl so we have enough room to whip everything together. Add your vegetable glycerin and then mix everything together. Add your olive oil and mix again. Add your fragrance. For this one, I did a cucumber mint. The consistency that you're going for is like the consistency of Cool Whip. Now we're going to go ahead and add the sugar, which is our exfoliant, and mix it again. Go ahead and add your mica powder if you're going to use it. And at the same time, we're going to go ahead and add our preservative. Looking at the sugar scrub, it looks like I don't have quite enough sugar in there, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more. This part is really a personal preference. Now that our sugar scrub is done, it's time to go ahead and package it up. You can either scoop it into a container, but I prefer to pipe it in. So I'll normally just take a wide mouth mason jar and put my piping bag in there and fill it up. Just a little bit easier to fill up the bag. And that's it. That's how you make a foaming whipped sugar scrub. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works when you put it under water. It's going to foam up nicely. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any other ones.